Hello everyone. A very good afternoon to all my dear students. How are you? All are fine? Good. So I hope you all are fine, safe at your home. Don't go outside, inside your home and safe. Okay. So now which period is going on? Subject EVS. Before we are going to start your topic, first we will start month. Okay, Gayatri month. So join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. Start. Om Bhurbhuvasvah तस्य वितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Okay, now rub your hands and apply on your eyes. Very good. Now are you ready for study? Okay, subject EVS. Which period is going on? EVS period is going on. And which class do you studying? You studying in LKG. You say, I am studying in LKG class. Okay. So now, take out your EVS notebook and write down the heading. All are open your EVS notebook. In your EVS notebook, write here C O L O U R S. Colors. Name. Colors. Name. So, in your previous videos, we will learn about colors red, yellow and blue. And one day we will learn black, orange and green. So all 6 colors now write on same page. One day you write full page red, yellow, blue, and one day you write black, orange, green. Now we will write together. Okay, all colors write together on one page. So look here how to write all the colors in one page. Write down the heading. Now move to the next line. One more time. Make circle here. Okay. So now first we'll put red color. So use your crayon and put here red color. Okay. Use your red crayon and put here red color. Now what is the spelling of red? R E D. Red. Capital R, small e, small d. R first 3 line, E in 2 line and D first 3 line. Red. One more time. Right here. R E D. Red. Okay. One more time. This is red color. This circle we will put red color and write the spelling of red. Okay, R-E-D red, R-E-D red. So So how many times you write the spelling of red? 2 times. One time you write full page and now you write 2 times. So like this. Now move to the next line. Okay, in next line make circle here. In this circle we'll put which color? What is this? This is blue color. Okay, blue color. So use your blue crayon. Put here blue color. Now what is the spelling of blue? Okay, now what is the spelling of blue? First is capital B L U E. Now how to write? B first 3 line, L first 3 line, U in 2 line and E in 2 line. B L U E, blue. Okay, one more time. Write here blue. B L U E. So how many times you write blue? 1, 2. 2 times. In your notebook, write 2 times red and 2 times blue. Return all of you red color and blue color. Move to the next line. Okay. So again make one circle here. Now in this circle you will put yellow color. Okay, yellow sun. So use your yellow crayon, put in this block. Okay, yellow color crayon and put here yellow color. Now what is the spelling of yellow? First write capital Y, small e, small l, small o, w. Yellow. Okay. Now how to write yellow? Look here. Y first 3 line, E in 2 line, L in first 3 line, O in 2 line and W in 2 line. Yellow. Y E double L O W. Okay. All of you write red, blue, yellow. Okay, say and write the spelling. We'll say, then write. Move to the next line and make another circle. in this circle we will put, which color is this? This is orange color. So use your orange crayon and put in this circle. Okay, the color is orange color. Now what is the spelling of orange? Look here. First letter is capital letter O, R, A, N, G, E. Orange. Capital O, small r, small a, small n, small g and small e. Okay, first letter is capital, then all letter is small. One more time. O, R, A, N, G, E. Orange. You see how to write O in first three lines, then R, A, N in two lines, G last three lines and E in two lines. Orange. O, R, A, N, G, E. O, R, A, N, G, E. Orange. Two times you have to write orange. After this, make one another circle, and in this circle we will put which color? Your hair's color is black. So in this circle, put here black. This is black color. Okay, the marker is in black color. So what is the spelling of black? First letter is capital letter B, L, A, C, K. Black. B, L, A, C, K. Black. One more time. B, L, A, C, K. Black. Which color? Black color. All of you write all the colors: red, blue, yellow, orange, black. Now next is which color is this? This is green color, green leaf. Okay, green leaf. So use your green crayon and put here in this circle green. Now what is the spelling of green? G R double E N. G R double E N. Green. Capital G, small r, small e and small n. G R double E N. How to write green? First three line G, then between the two line R E E N. Okay, so write like this. In your notebook, On one page you write all the colors like red, blue, yellow, orange, black and green. Okay, on one page you write all the colors. All of you written all the colors name. In your EVS notebook, you write all the colors name. Okay, so now one time we'll revise all the colors. You also revise all the colors name with their spelling. Okay, R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. The color is red. Okay, R-E-D, red. Then blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Okay, B-L-U-E, blue. Then after blue, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Okay, this is yellow color. After yellow, orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Okay, then black, B-L-A-C-K, black hairs. So this is black color. After G-R-E-E-N, green. Okay, here green leaf. So this is green color. You understand all the colors and their names. All the 6 colors and their names. Okay, so you write on your notebook, EVS notebook. Now your period is over. Bye. Have a nice day.